Welcome back, traders, and for another trading demonstration for you. This is the Trade Scalper 3 methodology, and this is going to be trades for Friday, September the 1st, 2017. That is the Nasdaq NQ mini Nasdaq. That's the market we'll be trading. New York session, and each point is worth 20 bucks. As you can see over here in the top left, we have the NQ September 2017 contract, 1 minute chart, and the date. And the goal lines denotes the start of the session. So that's the bar right there. And as you can see here, 9:30 is the time frame, right? Okay. And so we'll look for some Trade Scalper 3 trades today and see if we can get some coin in the till, as they say. And as you can see right now, we're at $0, and we hope to have that change fairly quickly. The other thing I wanted to say is that trading is risky, and you should not trade with money that you do not have or afford to lose. And it's a zero-sum game. There's going to be a winner and there's going to be a loser every side. And so just wanted to bring the disclaimer out. It's important, but it's also important to learn how to trade and how to go about carrying yourself within the markets. And so what's what the Trade Scalper type methodology will teach you. So you don't just go off half cock and just think it's every day is going to be $1 million payday. No, not going to happen. Not going to happen. But if you just can develop some discipline and some knowledge about how to trade, when to trade, then you'll do pretty good. As W.D. Gann says, you will be a success in the markets. And so we'll go about looking at some trades today. You probably hear the alert, voice alert, my voice alert, Trade Scalper alert. And so just note that with Trade Scalper 3, you can get into setting up your own voice alerts. There's professional voice alerts or your own voice, and or you can just use the system. Use like doorbells or something like that. But I like to have the actual markets and time frames and such. So we'll scan through a little bit here and see what we come up with, and hopefully we will have a beautiful day today trading.
Order filled.
Got in a bit early on this one here. We kind of faded in on it, so let's see what we can do here. We can see that from the trading methodology, we can
target filled.
There we go. We got our first target filled already, and just didn't waste any time. So we got the first trade in the bag here. I'm trying to do the video recording and trade at the same time, so just bear with me, man. We'll get through it here. So this is the first trade right here. That there, right there. Trade Scalper trade. We'll see if we can get some more. And as we can see, we're traded 10 contracts. And what we got in the tail thus far, right? And that's only what, 1, 2 bars, 2 minutes, 2 minutes worth of trading. Not bad, right? Trade Scalper 3 trades. All right, so let's see what else we can get. Market just started, so it's going to be a little up and down, but we'll see what we can get. We're getting a little rise in the market, so that's good. A little energy in the market. That's what we want. The more energy, the higher the yield. And when we say yield, we're speaking profit margins, profit targets, and such. System rules, they give you a certain method to calculate your profit target, your stops, and so you want to have all of that bit of information gathered up and ready to go before you put your trade on. And with the I was saying, the system rules will give you everything you need to do the complete trade, where you would have the entry level, the profit target, and the catastrophic stop level. So you want to have that in place. Nasdaq has what's called a ATM system, and when you use the Ninja Trader ATM system, you can plug all of this information in ahead of time and then make your adjustments accordingly. That way you can just semi-automatic the trade. That's basically what you want to try to do, right? Put the trade on, start it up, and then let it pretty much manage itself. And so that's one of the things I like about Ninja Trader, where it allows you to do that. And so we'll just continue to watch here and see if we can get us another good trade coming down the pike here. All right, so I can tell by the way the price
Order pending
going, we want to have a trade here in place, and that's one of the things that the Trade Scalper system will do. It will teach you the price action, where you will know in advance where to place everything. The software, as an audible, just as a help, technological help, but you will know in advance what you're doing here. And so that's one of the things that pop our trend line here, and we'll watch and see if we can get us a trade going here today. As we can see, we're only 9:51, so the market's only been open like 21 minutes. We already have one trade, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minutes into the day. We got a trade, and so we'll watch and see if we can get a second trade. I got the sniffles today with these allergies, so bear with me here.
order filled
Hey, we're into a trade here. Let's back up. The yield on that trade is 4.5 points. We'll do 4.25. We like to just get in and out a bit early. So let's see here. We have the entry level in place. We have the profit target in place, and we have the stop level in place. Doing 10 contracts. We'll let the trade play out and see if we can realize some more profits. This is a Trade Scalper 1 minute. And see, we got in a little bit earlier than the software
target
did.
filled
Boom, we got it. We got another good trade. And so let's see, here is our till right now. So it's not too shabby. Not too shabby, right? And so let's go ahead and mark that one up. That's right here to here. Not too shabby for trade 2. And that's what? 2 minutes? We were in a trade, what, 2 minutes? 9:53. That's 33 minutes into the session, and we're gathering up our Trade Scalper 3 profits for the day. And we'll continue to watch and see if we can get us some more trades here. Here, just based upon the fact that we know prices lower closing highs, so it's on the down side of things here with the trend trend line in place. And so here, let's see, we'll go ahead and
Order pending.
we'll get ready to get another limit in here, another limit trade. So let's see here, we're looking at right there. And we'll try to limit in, see if we can get us another trade forming up here. We'll front run it. And that's just basically, you want to get in a little before the rest of the market does. Based on this particular pattern, this price pattern I can see forming, that we can do that. And so we'll see what we can get here. Yield.
Order filled.
Hey, we got something here. We got a yield of 4.25 points. Let's see here. So that's 82.50. We want to go down to 80 right there. 59.78. We get the 4 points. We'll leave the 2 ticks on the table. Let's get in and get out. That's my motto, right? And so once again, we have the entry level set, we have the profit level set, and we have the Catastrophic stop.
Trade Scalper.
And as you can see, the software picked up the trade, but we already front ran it a little bit. So yeah. And we got 10 contracts, and let's get in and get what we got to get, right? Let's get these profits and get them and go, as I say. And so as we can see, we did get in on that bar there. That's 10:01, and these Trade Scalper 3 trades are in and out, right? 1 minute bars, so a couple of bars, boom, you're in and out. But you have to see the pattern, and that's what it's about. It's about a certain. You want to trade the Trade Scalper 3 pattern, and so when you do that, that's when you realize the profits. And so let's see if we can get in and get out and get these profits and go. And we got something working with us here. Looking good, looking good. Keep it going, baby. Keep it going. So we're starting on the 3rd bar here. Let's get our profits and go. Come on, baby. See things forming up here. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. There we go. We got a red bar. Come on, baby. Come on.
Target filled.
Target filled. Beautiful sound. I love to hear that target filled sound. And as we can see here, a little bit more added to the till. Another successful Trade Scalper 3 trade. Right here. This bar right here. You gotta love it. What that was? 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, so we'll so we can get us a couple more here. Right now it is 10:05, so we're about hour and a half before the lunch time session starts, and you want to keep that in mind, right? This energy just kind of sucks out during lunchtime session, so this is something to think about. All right, so we're going to front run this particular here setup. We see that price broke above, closed above that long-term trend line, and so now we want to look for trades to the upside, right? And he's looking for another Trade Scalper 3 type of a trade. And right now the current time is 10:31. We've only been market sessions only been open for 31 minutes in the morning session, right? Denoted by this goal line right there. And so let's see if we can get us another Trade Scalper 3 trade. The energy is kind of, we're looking at about maybe 2 points, 2.25 points, and so we can, let's see if we can realize some more profits coming up here. And we have everything in place to get our trade on, as they say.
Order filled.
Hey, there we go. We got the trade, and we got 950 is right here, and so we want to get that profit right up in there. Right up in there. Okay. Let's see if we can get it. 10 contracts, and I don't know what happened to my little pointer, but we have the entry point in place, we have the profit, and we have the stop level in place, right? Trade Scalper 3 trade. Let's see if we can get it to the top right there and close out with some more profits, right? That's what it's all about. That's what it's all about. Let's get my pointer here. Let's bring that in some. Here we go, right there. Right there. We just want to just undercut it just by one tick. Never hurts to get out earlier than the move in, the end of the move. You just want to just be clever, man. Just try to be as clever as you can. Ninja, you got a ninja style this thing here. Let's see what we got here. So we got a little profit going on. We can move our stop up to lock in some profits. Let's see here. There we go. There we go. Come on. And let's lock in profit. So it won't be a losing trade. Nasdaq Trade Scalper 1 minute. And there you see the software fired off, but we had already front-run it because we know the pattern ahead of time. We know based on the system where it's going, how far it's going to go. All right. And,
Stop filled.
Oh, we locked in profit too soon. Oh, yeah.
Order pending.
Let's get back in there. Get the rest of this. We're only talking about a tick, man. So
Order canceled.
I'm gonna leave it be. But as we can see, we got a little bit more profit to the till, right? Not bad. Not bad at all. All right, so that's the third. What is that? 3? What is that? 1. What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the fourth successful trade scalper trade. Not bad. Not bad at all. Let's see if we could find us a couple more. As we can see, the market went past that long-term line and just up, right? Let's see if we get some more. All right, so we have another seemingly trade that is setting up, and it's a short. And so as we can see, we popped another long-term trend line here, and price moved below. It closed below that line, and so we're looking for some shorts now. And so we have one setting up right there. We have a yield of about 1.25.
Order filled.
And we're in the trade right there. And let's get right there. Boom, boom, get in and get out. We have 10 contracts. We have our entry. We have our profit. And we have our catastrophic stop in place. And so this trade here is 1120.
Target filled.
Boom, target filled. We got it. Love that sound. Love that sound. Let's look at the till. Not bad. Not bad at all. Right. So Nasdaq Trade Scalper 1 minute. And as we can see here, the software fired it off. We front ran it and got in and got what we needed to get. And so as price retraces back to the level, we may be able to get in and get some more, but we won't be greedy. You want to be needy and not greedy. That's my my motto. Be needy, but not greedy. Boom, right there. Fifth successful trade. Trading the Trade Scalper 3 method. So let's go back in. Let's see if we can get us some more. We're getting ready for some lunchtime session action, so I don't know. Energy is going to be. Let's see. We'll see what unfolds. We'll see what unfolds. All right, so we may have another one forming up for us just before lunchtime, and so energy's low, the yield's low. I mean, it's not a whole lot, just a point yield. Like I said, we're just about lunchtime here, yeah. And so I'm not guaranteeing roses here, but we'll see. We'll see what we can do here. So we have the level set up. We'll lay in wait and see if we can get us some more coin. But as you can see, price, we popped another line there, trend line, and price closed above that line right there, and so we're looking for some long trades here. Trading the Trade Scalper 3 method for Friday, September 1st, 2017.
Order filled.
And we're in the trade, and so we're looking for a point. Let's bring it down. Let's grab that point. And we can see we have our entry level, we have our profit target, and we have our catastrophic stop in place. 10 contracts on the board. Let's see if we can get some more coin out of the deal, right? That's what it's all about. Getting what we can get it and go, as they say. Get it and go. And we're close, come on. And we're talking like not Nasdaq Trade Scalper. And as you can see, the software fired off. We front ran it a little bit. I love front running, getting in just a bit early. I love it. But you will know the pattern ahead of time, right? You know the pattern. You trade the pattern.
Target filled.
Boom. Target filled. I love that sound. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. As we can see, we got some more coin in the till. Not bad for what time is it here? 11:55. So that's that's 2 hours and 25 minutes worth of trading. And so we're going to go into a lunchtime session here. So we'll go ahead and stop the recording. We're done. We did our damage so far for the day. And that's normally what you want to do. From the start of the session till about maybe 11:30, somewhere up in there, 12 o'clock, get your profits and go. Turn your machine off, get a couple more extra things done for the day, right? To learn how you can get your hands on this amazing software, Trade Scalper 3, click the link below, get started, start earning profits. Bye for now. Take care.